Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Thank you all for coming to celebrate the life of Well, to say a few things about Mom, one thing that keeps going on in my memories since Mom left in September is the lesson of forgiveness. One of the things she talked about is that acts of forgiveness. I recall there was an issue and I was asked to talk to Mom about it. It was a very painful situation for her because she told me what the person did. I was asked to talk to her. Lo and behold, I called Mom and spoke to her about it. And then she said, no problem. And within a short while, I was informed that she had pardoned the person. And later on, she said, fine, that's one of the lessons God has taught us, that we should learn to forgive. And also, her relationship with other members of the House of Assembly, the politicians, was gradual. I understood what she wanted to do in politics. And well, I also contested in Ondo State for the State House of Assembly under APC. And when I told my mom before I went to, she said, don't lose hope, just keep moving on, and then don't see it as a way that you have not against anybody. I've been through it, I know that you just started, you succeed. So she's talking about the act of forgiving people, never putting God mind against anyone. And like I said some months ago, prayerful life is what I keep remembering every day. There's nothing as good as having the blessings of a mother. Those are the great things I'm missing about my mom. And I pray that the Almighty God, who is standing with the family of the Abigails and all other well wishes of this family, will continue to uphold this family. The song that still comes to my mind is that no matter what, the song that whatever happens to man, God is still God, and God will forever be God. That is one of the things I keep telling myself every day. The more I let us, God is still there for us. And that song is more that you won't more that you call you Ganawa, don't feel what's in there. Anyone you tell, won't more that you call you Ganawa, don't feel what's in there. The more you have left us, I know God will still continue to uphold us. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Not somebody very close to you, you might not really appreciate how important that soul is to you, to your life. But after I remind, I understand that your friend, your close friend will always be your close friend. I thank God for our life. I thank God for the children and my husband. The Almighty God in His infinite mercy will grant her soul eternal peace. Thank you very much.
Though we are asked to celebrate the life of my confident friend, sister, colleague, giver, with all respect. I choose not to be emotional this evening. Beg to do so we know our head to win or remember We're too close. We're too close. She's partner. Love you coming around. Remember now we go down. Thank you very much. God bless.
What can I say about this wonderful woman? A woman that we sat together at the house recently, who was like a mother to all of us. And we were like, okay, we look out for you. When we are at parties, we took over control of the party to ensure that all the members are comfortable. So we go out of our way to please everyone. When we are having very, very heated debates in the house, or having very contentious issues in the House of Assembly, she would be a pacifier. Someone who would stand between two warring factions to bring peace. When I heard about her demise, I was very shocked. Because I saw her sometime, I think about 4 months ago, we were at the location, and I didn't even know anything was amiss, unfortunately. And so when I heard of her death, it was very painful. But I know that all the good things she has done, all the good people she left along the way, continue to pray for the repose of her soul. I'll miss her. Even those things we left the house, we don't see like we used to, but it's something that when you remember she's there, you know she's there for you. So I just want all of us to, after this celebration, I know it's a very sober moment for me, really. But after this celebration, let us continue to remember our prayers, let us remember our kids as very behind, and let us continue to pray for the repose of our soul. God will miss her, and what can I say? The Almighty Allah can have that.
At this point, though we are here to celebrate the life of my confident friend, sister, colleague, leader, with all respect. I choose not to be emotional this evening. The best to do is to implore our guests to win or remember their region in honor of the late Naina. We're too close. We're too close. She's partner. Love you coming around. Remember now we go down. Thank you very much. God bless. Let's see the result. Right now. Thank you. Love you.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV was Swoby.